So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is yet another project. Today is a different project. So I'll be using, instead of Ardthon, I'll be using ESP32 with a camera module. Is a camera module and a flashlight. For this I'll be using a motion sensor to detect any motion, and which will be automatically opening this door. So what I'll be doing, I'll be able to observe the person outside my door, and I can open the door through my phone when I recognize that maybe it's a visitor or someone I know. So there's no much into it, just a ESP32, a buzzer, power supply module, a servo motor for controlling the door. So let me power the gadget. It uses 5 volts for both for the ESP, for the motion sensor, and for the servo motor. So once the gadget is on, I will try connecting to my phone through the Wi-Fi. So my phone is on. I activate my phone's Wi-Fi. It's on. So what the module will do, it will try to connect to my phone. This is it. No, I wish. So what I will do, I go to my browser. Chrome. And there is it. So what I'll be seeing is what the camera records. It's not that visible from your side. I can tilt. So whenever it senses somebody at the door, it will send me a video and some pictures, which so if I recognize the somebody I know on the door, I can automatically open this door. So what I will do, I just slide this slider, and as you can see, it is automatically opening the door, and I can close it from here. So this works within a long distance. You can automatically control this door when you are and receive these video images when you are far away. You can see the video though it's not that clear. So this video is coming from this camera. And the other feature is that you can adjust the brightness of this flashlight. So you can auto adjust if the camera isn't that visible, and you can reduce it. It's a great project for IoT hobbyists. So it's programming, there's not much to do with it. Once the code is uploaded, I just have to change some few parameters, like the name of your Wi-Fi and the password. That's all with it. So if you like the project, remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next project.